फ्रेंड्स, मैं आज भी वो दिन याद करता हूं जब मैं अपना स्टार्टअप चला रहा था, नए नए क्लाइंट्स के साथ काम कर रहा था। हर दिन नए नए चैलेंजेस, नए सपने और सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था विजिबिलिटी एंड रिकॉग्निशन। When I was working as a startup or the MSME founder, I spoke to 1,000 plus startups and MSME entrepreneurs. मैं रोज देख रहा था कि नए नए एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, नए नए बिजनेस ओनर्स जो अपनी जान लगा के बिजनेस बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, पर दुनिया को उनका काम दिखाई नहीं देता। एंड डू यू नो व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड? आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि अगर इनका काम दुनिया तक नहीं पहुंचा तो इनका बिजनेस बड़ा कैसे होगा? अगर इनकी स्टोरी सुनाई नहीं गई तो लोग उन्हें पहचानेंगे कैसे? हर कोई कहना चाहिए मेरा व्यापार मेरी पहचान, बिकॉज दे हैव टैलेंट, हार्ड वर्क एंड पैशन, बट their stories are hidden. And friends, every story is unique, every story is different, all have powerful stories, but no platform to amplify them. Being a first generation entrepreneur myself, I have seen the pain. Friends, I have seen entrepreneurs crying in front of me because they are not visible, they are not recognized. And that was the moment I have decided. I have decided that I have to do something, and I have started a platform where entrepreneurs, small business owners and startups could share their stories with the world, where they can get recognition, build visibility and inspire others. And that's when VyaparJagat.com was born. I firmly believe media is a power. आपने कभी सोचा है जो बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स आज दुनिया भर में फेमस हैं, एंड इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट, द बिजनेसेस यू सी ऑन टेलीविजन, द ब्रांड्स यू रीड इन न्यूज़पेपर, and the entrepreneurs, those who are getting featured in magazines, they didn't become successful just by doing business. They became successful because someone told their story to the world. And friends, my mission is very clear. I wanted to be that someone who amplifies business stories for MSMEs, startups, small business owners. And today, VyaparJagat.com has featured over 10,000 plus business stories. We have impacted thousands of entrepreneurs across India and beyond. But you know that this is just a beginning. ये एक शुरुआत है. As the demand for business visibility keeps growing, we realize one thing: we cannot do this alone. There are 600 million entrepreneurs globally and over 100 million entrepreneurs in India alone. And guess what? 99% of them are still not visible. They don't have access to the right platform, the right visibility and the right recognition. And this is why we are looking for a powerful local partners like you. पर एक बात ध्यान रखना, हम सिर्फ हर शहर में 3 पार्टनर्स को ऑनबोर्ड कर रहे हैं, एंड दैट विल बी ऑन FCFS बेस, फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस. And as a VyaparJagat.com authorized partner, your role will be very simple yet very powerful. You will become the bridge that connects local entrepreneurs to our global platform. And imagine friends, a small home-based entrepreneur, एक छोटा सा entrepreneur from your city, जो एक छोटी सी फैक्ट्री का ऑनर भी हो सकता है, who is struggling for visibility, suddenly gets featured on VyaparJagat.com. Their story reaches thousands of readers, and within weeks they start getting new customers, new partnerships, new recognition. और सबसे बड़ी बात, उसका क्रेडिट आपको मिलेगा. As you being a VyaparJagat.com authorized partner, you have given that opportunity to them. And friends, this partnership is not just about impact. It's also about creating a powerful revenue stream for yourself and your business. As a VyaparJagat authorized partner, you will get several benefits. If I just list 4 or 5, then first is you will get introductory credits to publish business stories for free. You will get access to discounted credit packs to publish more stories if you have, more entrepreneurs who are ready to get featured on vyaparjagat.com. High profit margin on every story you publish, and you will get a top-notch recognition as being the authorized partner of Vyapar Jagat. Not only that, we also do retreats and summits for our partners, and there are ongoing support and guidance to scale your impact. And this is where it gets interesting now. You don't need to find new customers. आपको नए customers ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप आपके existing network से start कर सकते हो. You can just start with your existing network, your customers, your vendors, your suppliers, your partners. They all have powerful business stories waiting to be shared. And once you start, referrals will flow automatically. This is how you create massive impact and build a profitable business. But listen carefully. We are only onboarding 3 partners per city, per district. This is a highly exclusive. And you know why? Because we want to work with serious, with passionate individuals who genuinely want to uplift their city's entrepreneurs. So if you are someone who believes in creating impact, driving business visibility, and building a new revenue stream, then this is your calling. And this is your chance. Today, I am not just inviting you to become a partner. I am inviting you to become a catalyst for change in your city. I am inviting you to lead 1 million movement that will enhance lives of 1 million entrepreneurs. Our mission from day one is very clear, where we really want to help 1 million entrepreneurs. मैं आज आपको सिर्फ पार्टनर बनने का ऑफर नहीं दे रहा हूं, मैं आपको एक मिशन का हिस्सा बनने का मौका दे रहा हूं. आपके शहर में हजारों छोटे बिजनेसेस आज भी इनविजिबल हैं. उनकी कहानी, उनकी स्टोरी दुनिया तक पहुंचाने का. तो अगर आप रेडी है एक प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेस बिल्ड करने के लिए, अपने शहर के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को ग्रो करने के लिए, अपनी पहचान व्यापार जगत पार्टनर के रूप में बनाने के लिए, then remember, once you start, you will realize how powerful it is to change someone's life by giving them platform for visibility. और याद रखें, आप एक नई सोच बन सकते हैं. आप अपने शहर के बिजनेस ओनर्स को दुनिया तक ला सकते हैं. और जब उनका बिजनेस ग्रो करेगा तो आपका बिजनेस भी ग्रो करेगा. अब फैसला आपका है. I started vyaparjagat.com with a mission to empower 1 million entrepreneurs. And today, I am passing that mission to you. Together, let's create a world where no entrepreneurs go unnoticed. Together, let's build something extraordinary. I will see you on the other side as a vyaparjagat.com authorized partner. Jai Hind, Jai entrepreneurs, and let's start promoting मेरा व्यापार मेरी पहचान.